Alright, turn it on, girl. Turn it, make it stay low. Come in, I want it in my video, please. Just turn it down, make it stay. Just turn it down. No. No. You get too much trouble. Hmm? Mika. We are text.
This is a jacket?
It is? I don't know. Is it a jacket? That's from me? It is a jacket? Why should I tell you you don't open it? Well, Siobhan. Siobhan, yo.
Some laptop. The light door.
Let me see.
Laptop.
Is that a laptop? Where my bungle? Then make sure I show you where my bungle.
Sit here.
Light door. Laptop.
This is all for me? Bo Jesus. Wait there.
Alright, we're gonna do it then I give
Where my bungle there?
Mommy.
Oh, by Jesus. After Siobhan have a whole truck, you might gonna need one truck to move it around 9 room. Siobhan, I gonna need a truck. Wait there, Siobhan, are the lovable one in here?
Thank you.
What the lovable one in here?
Daniel.
All I want for Christmas is my family.
Oh, wow. Thank you. Come.
Eh?
I'm here, I run.
Okay. Chanel.
What's this? Heavy.
When you all open your gifts, you will know.
That's no secret.
Uncle.
Pull out. Again.
What?
Mika.
Right?
This is a cologne set. Shana.
Hmm?
A cologne set this.
It is? It's from me?
Yeah.
I don't know. What? Siobhan need a trailer to carry them here around 9 room.
Wait, something alright. I think we mix up some of them. I'm gonna see my gift.
Oh, then I get you.
I'm gonna see my gift to mommy. I'm gonna see my gift for me get for mommy.
So the name them the right one them?
She did to move from Siobhan.
It's probably a Perrier's cologne.
So who for them give you right here, so?
Me, mine.
Yours? What, Chanel?
Yeah.
So Siobhan tap it, right?
Me always stop it. No, I'm not thinking so. Some more than we have for Junior.
Oh, Junine, okay.
She bought me socks.
Have yourself a Merry Christmas. That's nice. I need to see all your gifts, guys. Please to open them all. Starting from you, Max.
You know what me one?
Yeah.
You know, start looking until you start.
Really?
Wow!
That's Shana K gifts. That's not yours. I don't know why Chanel named the funny a Shan gift. No, a mistake. A Shana K gifts.
Mommy, me got one my gift.
Wow!
Yeah.
Yeah. That's Shana K gift. Me no know I must mistake. No, Shana.
What about to say?
It's a mistake. Oh, this is from Mika.
Like that.
Cause me no know. You mean straight and not crossway?
Somebody get my cologne. Them. That's my cologne collection. You know.
It's a Sean.
Wow,
Sean,
this is
Sean.
beautiful.
But she buy this one for you. Though.
That's yours.
That one is yours.
Come here. Why you return for?
Yeah, them little one there for Chanel. A mistake.
See? Which one I like one remember?
The littlest one.
No, mommy.
Just
Look
what
at
me
it.
them then when I can
You
switch.
sure this one? I'm sure
What me
that.
them then
Yeah,
when I can switch.
yeah. A mistake me make and put that one. A Chanel one now.
Thank you, Brown.
Yeah. That was for Sean and another one. A two gift me buy for Sean. Turn around me see it, Chanel. Let me see you give Chanel. Yes.
You know what? For you, just I hope everybody.
Mommy, look for me.
Yes, girl.
Come here, why you put that with that?
Yes.
YouTube everywhere.
Why you return for?
I don't know. Me do it so sometime.
Money there?
No. But they cute with all your two little cards. Yeah. Nice. Me buy Mika that like 3 years now. 3 years in a row. Me buy her a red, me buy her a black, and I think I buy her a cream. Who buy you that? Oh, that's
Mother
nice.
say no like it.
Guys, it's not my scooter. I asked for one gift.
Sean! Oh my god! Sean buy me gift card. I miss waiting so on necklace and I take it back. Oh my god. Thank you, Sean. Oh my god.
Yes. Yes, it's nice, Siobhan. It's nice. It's nice.
I have one similar, but that one then I already.
That girl for real.
Yeah, that's nice, Siobhan. Me like it.
No, but mom has that dress will come soon.
Oh.
Let me see you. Come up here, so let me see you. Come back up here, so. Yes, girl. You look cute. Who say Sean can't buy?
Right?
Oh, no can't stop with my daughter. Oh. Baby mother walk up and down yesterday till her head at her.
What's this?
Mommy.
Hmm?
I want you to open it.
Oh, my scooter, lad.
Want me open this? But me a video.
Guys, you have to open my gift.
Oh, my scooter, lad. I don't know how to run.
Let me open Sean. This is my gift from my daughter. Outside. Oh, bastard.
Sean, what is this?
That look nice. Should I wear the babies? You're coming like mommy.
It's not gonna fit me, Sean.
It does?
It fit her.
Oh yeah? Lovely.
It's extra large. Make
Oh,
sure.
that's good. That's good.
nice.
You like it?
You know more than that.
Classy. Chat gold.
Guys, open my gifts.
I like that.
Oh my god. Did Janine tell you?
Bunny.
Eh?
Mommy bought me.
Tell you to buy this?
Yeah, you can buy
You
something
like
like that
it?
too.
What me and you
Oh,
going
thank you, Sean.
That's nice.
Yeah,
Can
thank
set
you.
up.
Nice.
Pretty.
It look nice. You like this?
What that Chanel?
What me and you going at this age?
Sean.
Thank you, my daughter.
Yeah, welcome. It have the elastic
The extension.
in
Yeah.
the back.
Picture?
It's nice. Me like the
Oh,
color.
well, like
You're
that's
welcome.
time to put color on.
Oh,
Time to set it
wow.
up.
All right, Daddy. Open the one that I got for you.
What's this?
Well, it's two.
Mommy, you buy beer coat for everybody. You know me now wear a coat.
You feel weird
The
now?
round one.
No man, them look
Turn around,
good
let
when
me
you
get
have
this
put
one.
on
Let
your
me get
jeans
this
pants
one.
and something here.
Let me get this
Like,
one.
look like-
Yes. You look like a rich
you
kid
look
in
like
your
a rich
coat.
You want to look rich. You want to ride scooter.
Yes. That's a
Yeah.
birthday gift. You get it early.
All right, Pastor Price.
Yes. Look at him, him look classy.
Yeah.
I know.
What you talking about? Oh my god. Boy, you look classy. Boy,
Fact, I wouldn't want to
you
try
look
outside
classy.
You want to ride scooter.
Gotcha.
This is from
Okay,
shop.
thank you. Thank you very much.
What was it?
Awa.
This says a Paradise Colonies. What would it say?
You know,
But that's
yeah,
not
she-
from me.
No, it's
Sean.
from me.
Oh.
We just from the feel it and yeah.
Perilous.
I hope you like the
Cologne.
smell. The smell is real good.
Yeah, we
Yeah,
like
but shop.
Paradise Colonies.
Very Ellis
You
cologne.
ain't got much.
Yeah. I know, right? It look nice. You look classy. You have to wear them jacket, but you don't have to wear hoodie all the time and sweater.
Alright, so daddy like him cologne. Alright, check the next
I
box.
see you in there, boy. You look nice.
Mommy, I have one more package for you. See here.
Take the tags off,
Hmm?
So one
you
more.
guys wrap them good. Who wrapped this?
You don't even. No, me wrap them. Come here. From China K again. What did Malika got me?
Watch.
Guys, normally we have more gifts. than
Oh,
this.
sketch mark, sketch
These
mark.
watch this. These. Caribbean. Watch.
Oh,
So, like, the phone already.
From
Who
who
buy
that?
that?
Caribbean Joe.
Who buy that?
Shan?
Shan,
Oh,
you're
that's
hype.
nice.
Shana K.
They no
Wow.
jealousy?
Shan
But you
got
not
hard.
catch it properly.
Make
I
it
have to catch this.
Let
Let me see it. Let me see it. Let me see it.
Shot, mommy.
Shot, bow.
You know what my gift?
They look nice.
Thank you, Shan.
This is
Oh
Chanel.
my god, you got me size. Thank you.
Oh, this is nice. Ray.
Yeah.
Hype.
Oh, coach. Let me see the color card. Okay, open the next gift. Open the
Yes,
next
please. Open up the gift them, Siobhan. And Max.
What the big old
That's
box?
from me.
What is?
That's from me.
What is
That's
Jordan?
from Mika. Let's see.
Jordan ones. No. Yeah, oh, Air Force ones. Based off the box, this is what I wanted.
Yeah. So you want them dirty.
Yes.
Yes.
I have a fit for this already.
Yes.
You know me, I get something like this, you know?
You know you're gonna get. You know you're gonna get that.
Yeah.
Let me see. Oh, this is from Dad.
Yeah, that's how one. That's how one. Ones.
It's nice.
Oh, those are cute. Let me see. Yeah.
Yeah, this look like 10. This look too big.
You guys.
What size is this?
Siobhan. Oh, 9.5. You wear.
Happy.
You think say Siobhan Mika go looking at your shoes or either ask Junie.
Happy though. This is my favorite food.
Yeah, me know. Mika know you.
Let's open the next one from my mom.
Yeah.
Mommy, you like it, sir?
Yeah, it's simple. Me no know how me go look right
You
here,
want
so.
my gift?
I like it.
No, me not open a gift yet, apart from Fishan. I'm waiting to see. I buy you a bunch of leggings because you're pregnant, mama. And and you need those stuff. So I buy you a bunch of leggings. Yeah. So you can wear all of those with some plain top. No, she just need a plain top. Yeah, nothing color on the top. Either she wear a black top, a white top, a red top. Yeah. So I buy you a bunch of color leggings.
I can watch them. I keep on
Sell you want to sell your watch?
I don't like them.
Really?
Mommy,
One day silver watch I'm buy you. Oh, so,
I'm the only watch.
okay. You did what? You did what?
Birthday, I come up.
Me not, you know me not buy none.
I know, me don't need no birthday. Okay, what next? Open the chair. Let me say that chair.
Oh, you know, see a chair.
Doing deep way.
Oh, she give it away.
Mommy, look, you're not even getting Uncle's gift.
Oh, wait, the edge.
Let's
Let me see. What is that you get? You get an Amazon gift card?
$500 gift card.
Because you love shop. You love shop.
Amazon alone in shop.
Yeah.
If you can put it towards something.
Yeah, Mika. You said $500. You said $500.
see what Mika bought me.
Let's see. I forget to give them.
Mika bought me.
What? I like that.
Another Crocs.
Oh, that's nice.
I've been wanting another Crocs for the longest because the other one didn't drop.
It a go fit you though?
Okay.
A 9 Shan wear.
Mika,
But this look like a 8.
Mika.
Let me see. A 9 Shan wear. Yeah, it's she.
It's not gonna fit you.
So yeah, it not go fit you. Shan wear 9. Make Mika change. Send it go change.
Open my gift. Monitor cutter.
Try this.
No.
That now
I
of it.
said that narrow already, so I'm not really about that already.
Let's read
That's
it.
for your back.
Open my big
Every
gift.
receipt. But
Open
them
my
all
big
take
gift.
long, like a week.
Okay, Uncle.
Yeah.
So that
This
is
is
for your back. You can put it in the car, truck, van, anywhere.
Oh,
And you can lay down on it as well.
How much is
So you can see it.
I
Yeah.
can't more one for my
oh, really?
Anywhere, and you can lay down on it.
Wait, though.
Can I just
That's try
Okay,
to
this
grab
is from
it there.
Jimmy. Come now, man.
Oh, okay. What? Yeah, girl.
That's from me.
Ray.
That's
Yeah,
from
girl.
Me buy that.
I.
Me buy that.
Thank you.
Yeah, girl.
Me buy that.
All right, let's go over here.
Oh, this is a bean bag.
And a bean bag.
Look what I got, yeah. Look what I got, yeah.
We're matching.
Look what I got, yeah. You know, this morning, me say, when you thought this man and me, I say, anyhow, you did, me looking at your closet and me no see none, no white sweater. And me I say, when you see when you're talking at the kitchen, you mean my mind, look how me have one in a package of you.
Mr. Shabana, extra, you can just want me.
Yes.
This is a bean bag.
And a bean bag.
Look what I got, yeah.
I mean, this is a football.
And a
Some
football.
Adidas socks.
Yeah.
So, Chanel.
Is a comforter, Siobhan?
Yeah, some on the man. Like some on the ground.
Oh. Okay, from who that is?
Yeah, but sit down on it. You can get down on the ground.
Mika?
from me?
From me?
It's not this one.
Oh, and me to Obi.
Now, come on, go over that stuff.
See it there? Your eye.
Rich alive?
Let me see. Catch it a lie?
From who?
Yeah. What kind of cologne that?
Let it get. What if I call on this?
Eh?
This right here.
John Barbados.
Yeah, Siobhan.
John
How will we
Barbados.
last door? It's nice door.
Smell nice.
No, give me now.
You need to take the tags off. What's wrong with her?
No, you buy so this that cute.
What is?
Yeah.
It's a bean bag.
It's a bean bag.
It's a bean bag.
Okay.
What is a bean bag?
It's a
Siobhan.
That is a chair? And that's how it's gonna be?
Yeah.
Yay! You got me a coffee maker! Wow!
Wow. Oh my God.
Can I go put it in your room until we're ready? Until we're ready for move cause it does stay up on the counter.
Oh, you got me a coffee maker.
Put it in your room till you're ready for move cause it not good.
Oh, nobody not get me no shoes.
You didn't want no shoes?
What?
Right.
You know
Look
what
for the
I
amount of
say
shoes
here?
there.
That means nothing.
Is it a ring? Oh yeah? Get under there.
Yeah.
Let me open my gift.
Oh God.
I have one
Open
more
my
gift
gift.
from Siobhan. Ready?
Then I go now.
Some did a call. Me never see say it a
I
ring.
have one more gift
Let me
from
add a
Siobhan.
phone then. Let me video call her.
That's what me are gifting now.
I got one.
Yeah.
What's that? It's a suit.
That's
Let me
from
see this.
Siobhan.
What's wrong with you, man? She need to take the tags.
What make you so obsessed with tags?
They don't like wrap gift with.
Oh, this is so cute. Siobhan, you know how to shop.
Right.
It's not
Siobhan, you know, Siobhan and Mika know how to shop.
No,
It's
this
a medium.
this one was iffy, but I know the top will fit.
It will fit
No,
you,
this
Sean.
one, I mean, I'm gonna take up for you. I'm gonna give you one now. Take up.
Sean, it will fit you when you have baby. Yeah, it fit you when you have baby. It's cute. Ufa. From Mika? Put my gift them this Chanel. When else I give them then?
What my man now?
So my gift, that what my gift?
Alright, you have to hold this. Alright, so this is from
What my mind first?
Kumam, from Siobhan.
Oh, what is?
Yes, somebody. Yes.
Running shoes.
Yes. We really want back one of them shoes here. Come and have one with the white bottom. Yeah. And it get all.
Who's this
yes.
Siobhan?
Thank you. Love it. Yeah. And so we not gonna buy one, you know. Yeah, we definitely want back one of them shoes.
The best shoes ever.
Yeah, man, them comfy. No more that quick.
You just throw it down.
That's from me.
Alright,
Mika, what is this you buy me?
Let me see.
watch.
Givenchy.
Givenchy. You
Great.
can't buy me a design, like you're rich.
Hype. Hype, so. What is this? A bracelet?
Alright.
Cause my hand them too big in our fit.
Oh yeah, I think.
Yeah. It's too little.
You carry the Asian.
No. Then too little. Return them and get back your money. A joke.
If me return them, I take your money back.
But the bracelet too small.
Take it out, let me see. So what you done?
Yeah, the
The
bracelet
bracelet,
too
them another
small.
one that can't open and close.
You can't open it up.
Oh, you can't actually open. But my hand wrist them fat. But thank you.
Givenchy.
Thank you.
Givenchy. Oh, my scooter now.
Oh my God, here we go.
Oh, you know, say a scooter in there.
Now you have to know me the one I
Who's it from?
But think we say uncle and mommy. What's it? So, yep. Mama and dad. Thank you very much.
Where you going on a scooter with?
Go to shop
I'm
right.
almost in the backyard.
You didn't say that before.
Go to shop right in go.
I'm almost in the backyard.
I write it right now.
You got it
Carry the box.
Yeah, no, destroy the box just in case you don't want it. Or you go. Yeah, it's a power scooter.
Push out the back.
Suppose me tell you say me buy the scooter, right?
Okay, this is.
And when me buy the scooter, I don't do the manual what me buy. I never did.
Oh, yes.
You have to return it.
No, they are same man. You have to go set it up. I think scooter me ending up buying. Yeah, one of them now electric and one of
One of them are the one where you use the foot and run.
yeah.
I want to show them to get working foot out.
Yeah, exercising foot. It was nice. It was a nice. It was nice opening up the gifts.
And where you go with that? Put him up.
He might forgot set it
No
up.
pressure.
Yeah, that's it.
All right, we need to take the Christmas picture though.
Push picture.
No, we didn't. Okay, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. It's long. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Yay! Siobhan is now going to set up him scooter. So over all of them give here, or them here for Danielle. Okay. Happy holiday. Looking at me house now. A big man. But I forgot just tie it up with big.
I think we should have taken it out or something.
Yeah, I can send it back.
In this. And then tell me take it out.
Oh shucks.
What do you mean? You don't take it out,
Take it out of this.
are you decided to take it out?
Watch elegant coat over this upon chair. Look for elegant coat. Yes, them upon chair. I'm gonna call Samantha now. Should have called me.